दोस्तों वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को चेतावनी देना चाहता हूं कि आजकल मार्केट के अंदर काफ़ी सारे फ्रॉड हो रहे हैं। इसलिए किसी भी प्लान में निवेश करने से पहले उस प्लान को पूरी तरह जांच लें, क्योंकि कहीं पर भी आपका एक पैसे का भी लॉस होता है तो उसमें हमारी या MLM पावर टीम की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं रहेगी। हमारा काम है आप लोगों तक नई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना, ना कि आपको प्रोत्साहित करना किसी प्लान के अंदर ज्वाइन होने के।
Hello friends, welcome back to another new video. Today in this video, I'm going to share you a unique income platform from where you can invest and start generating your income and you can become a financial stable. The name of the platform is Kazane Traders Limited. It is a platform where you can make a best investment. Make money with Kazane Traders Limited. Kazane Traders is providing you 100% triple returns on your investment. Friends, if I talk about the legality of the company is 100% legal and you can also verify all the legal documents of the company. Friends, if I talk about the membership of the company, here you can register yourself for free of cost. After registration, you have to activate your ID. For ID activation, there are many packages available. You can go with any package investment and activate your ID. First package is FGP1 where you can start with $100. Second package is FGP2 where you can start with $500. Third package is FGP3 where you can start with $1,000. Friends, if I talk about SGP package, the first package is SGP1 where you can start with $1,500. The second package is SGP2 where you can start with $2,000. Third one is SGP3 where you can start with $3,000. Friends, if I talk about HGP package, the first one is HGP1 where you can start with $5,000. The second package is HGP2 where you can start with $7,500. Third package is HGP3 where you can start with $10,000. Friends, you can go with any one package and activate your ID. Friends, here you will be getting 10% of your package for 20 weeks. Friends, if I talk about the company income, the first income will come from referral and level income. Friends, if I talk about income, here you will be getting your income from level 1 to level 10. From first level you will be getting 10%, from second level you will be getting 2%, from third level you will be getting 1%, from fourth level you will be getting 1%, from fifth level you will be getting 1%. From level 6 you will be getting 0.5%, from level 7 you will be getting 0.5%, from level 8 you will be getting 0.5%, from level 9 you will be getting 0.5%, from level 10 you will be getting 0.5%. After this, next income is 20 weeks booster bonus. Friends, if you deposit $100, once if you complete 2 sponsors, you will be getting 5% 20 weeks. That means every week you will be getting $5. Friends, here you will be getting total income of $100. Friends, if you deposit $500, after that if you complete 2 sponsors, you will be getting 5% for 20 weeks. That means you will be getting $25 and you will be getting income of $500. Friends, if you deposit $1,000, after that once you complete 2 direct sponsors, you will be getting $50 for 20 weeks. That means you will be getting total $1,000. After this, friends, if you deposit $1,500, once you complete 2 direct sponsors, you will be getting $75 for 20 weeks. That means every week you will be getting $75, from where you are getting $1,500. If you deposit $2,000, after that if you complete 2 direct sponsors, you will be getting $100 for 20 weeks. That means every week you will be getting $100, so that you will be getting monthly income of $2,000. Friends, if you deposit $3,000, once you complete 2 direct sponsors, you will be getting $150 for 20 weeks. That means you'll be getting every week $150, from where you can easily get back your $3,000. Friends, after this, if you deposit $5,000, after completion of 2 direct sponsors, you will be getting $250 for 20 weeks. That means every week you'll be getting $250, from where you can easily get your $5,000 back. Friends, if you deposit $7,500 and once you complete 2 direct sponsors, you will be getting $375 for every 20 weeks. Like that means every week you will be getting $375, from where you will be getting $7,500. Friends, if you deposit $10,000, once you complete 2 direct sponsors, you will be getting $500 for 20 weeks. That means every week you will be getting $500, from where you will be getting your $10,000 back. After this, you will be getting team turnover share monthly income. First rank is Crazer. Here you will be having total team of 100 members. And here the total business of yours will be of $10,000. Here you will be getting 0.5% of bonus for 10 months, from where you will be getting $50 of profit monthly. Third rank is Ruby, where total your team will be 1000 members and your total business will be of $1 lakh, where you will be getting 1.5% bonus for 4 months and you will be getting $1500 monthly profit. Fourth rank is Diamond, where you will be having 5000 of team members and your total business will be of $5 lakh, where you will be getting 2% of bonus for 3 months and you will be getting profit of $10,000 monthly. Fifth rank is Crown, where you will be having 10,000 of your team members and your total business will be of $10 lakh, where you will be getting 2.5% of bonus for 2 months and your monthly profit will be $25,000. Friends, if I talk about business highlights, you will be getting weekly ROI of 10% on every investment for 20 weeks. Here you will be getting referral upgrade income up to 10%. Referral is not mandatory for weekly ROI. Here you will be getting team booster bonus weekly and team turnover share monthly. You will be getting 3 times the bonus paid. Here there is no wallet or any kind of pin generation system. Friends, from here you can withdraw $30 minimum. Here you will be getting company withdrawal admin process fees up to 15% and 100% guarantee withdrawal within 12 hours to 24 hours. Here the company Kaizen Traders is working very effectively in the market, where you can start with low investment and get huge amount of profit. So friends, if you're interested to start, you can just contact the number which is shown on the screen and start earning your profit.